Alright everyone, this is day 3, the final completion of the Craftsman lawn tractor update. Got everything back together. Clear coat is on, all finished up. I'll have a video tomorrow of me running it. It's kind of late right now, but this is day 3, and everything is all back together and working. So, I got the two-tone paint job here, the black and the red. I'll show you a little bit more tomorrow in the daylight. But if you can kind of see like that, everything looks sharp on it. Everything came out good. Got the wheels all painted up real nice. Can't really tell because it's kind of dark, but yep. So I'll put a video up tomorrow and you guys will be able to watch it. Alright, bye guys.